for healthy juices for glowing skin and hair growth. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're sharing 4 delicious and nutritious juice that will not only give you radiant, glowing skin but also promote hair growth and support strong, healthy nails. These morning juices are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can work wonders for your overall beauty and wellness. So, grab your juicer and let's get started. Before we start, please like, share and subscribe for more health and wellness videos. Carrot and orange juice. The goodness of carrots, oranges, and ginger. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which promotes healthy skin and eyes. Oranges provide vitamin C, which supports collagen production for glowing skin. Ginger adds a spicy kick and can improve blood circulation, benefiting hair growth. If you consume carrot and orange juice at morning, it will help to improve skin health, increased collagen production, and potential hair growth support. Cucumber and spinach juice contains hydrating cucumber, nutrient-rich spinach, and zesty lemon. Cucumber is hydrating and contains silica, which can improve skin texture. Spinach provides vitamins K and C for skin elasticity and vitality. Lemon adds a zingy flavor and extra vitamin C for skin health. If you consume cucumber and spinach juice at morning, it will help to enhanced skin hydration, improved elasticity, and a boost of vitamin C. The Berry Beauty Blast is a delicious blend of mixed berries, Greek yogurt, and honey. Berries are antioxidant-rich and packed with vitamin C, which helps combat signs of skin aging. Greek yogurt provides probiotics and protein for healthy hair, while honey adds natural sweetness. If you drink mixed berries, Greek yogurt and honey juice, you will have antioxidant protection, support for hair health, and a tasty treat. The Green Goodness juice features kale, green apple, cucumber, and lemon. Kale is a leafy green packed with vitamins A and K, promoting skin detoxification and health. Green apples add a touch of sweetness and extra vitamin C, while cucumber hydrates the skin. Lemon provides an invigorating zing and more vitamin C. These juices are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can contribute to healthy, glowing skin and support hair growth when consumed as part of a balanced diet and skincare routine. There you have it, 4 fantastic morning juices to promote glowing skin, hair growth, and strong nails. These juices are not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients that your body needs to look and feel its best. Incorporate them into your daily routine, and you'll be amazed at the results. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more health and beauty tips, and share it with your friends. Cheers to a healthier and more beautiful you.